Hey there, cupcake fans! Ready to bake some zesty lemon cupcakes? This recipe is super simple, perfect for new bakers. Let's get started. First, the ingredients. You'll need 1½ cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1/2 cup of unsalted butter room temperature, 2 large eggs, 1/2 cup of milk, 2 tablespoons of lemon zest, 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Got everything going? Great! Preheat your oven to 350 degrees, 175 to keep, and line a cupcake pan with liners. In a bowl, whisk together the flour, baking powder, and salt. Set that aside. Now in a large mixing bowl, beat together the butter and sugar until it's light and fluffy. This should take about 3 to 4 minutes. Add the eggs one at a time, beating well after each addition. Then mix in the vanilla extract, lemon zest, and lemon juice. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet mixture, alternating with milk. Begin and end with the dry ingredients. Mix until just combined. Scoop the batter into the cupcake liners, filling each about 2/3 full. Bake for 18-20 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Let them cool completely before frosting. For a delicious lemon buttercream frosting, beat together 1 or 2 cups of unsalted butter, 2 cups of powdered sugar, 1 tablespoon of lemon zest, and 2 tablespoons of lemon juice until smooth and creamy. Frost your cooled cupcakes and voila, you've got yourself some delightful lemon cupcakes. Enjoy and happy baking! Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video if you found it helpful. See you next time.